Today we are going to cover digital fashion illustration in Adobe. Take one of the sketch that I do by my hand. This is just a quick basic pencil sketch using fashion figure template. So today I am going to teach you how to do a complete rendering in Photoshop. I think you are gonna learn so much in this tutorial. Before starting fashion illustration, we first draw on paper to understand in brief what fashion illustration is. We understand its proportion. First, let us understand what fashion illustration is. Here are some guide I told you. I have made some fashion illustrations, and those who see this illustration, we can see here different proportion, different poses and different type of illustration. Clean and color a pencil sketch in Photoshop, and this tutorial is good for beginners. So this one is done in Photoshop. So I am starting on a fresh artboard. If you don't want to draw a croquis on a page, you can pick one from the internet. First of all, take a new file and add a new blank layer. After that, naming new layer as a template 1 or 1. Copy the image and with the help of shortcut key Ctrl+T and transform it and adjust the image as you want and then enter. Again, take a new blank layer, name it as a template second or second. I am now gonna draw my new croquis outline in black. My brush setting is the hard round presser brush. You don't need a lots of perfection in this. You don't have to be so careful, just draw and enjoy. So now take a new layer and the final outline of the croquis on the third template. This time let's be a bit more careful when we draw. But once again, no need for 100% perfection in your lines. If you want to erase something, erase with the eraser tool. Now create a new layer called skin. Place it below the third template layer. And let's start coloring in with the hard round brush. Use the square bracket key to increase and decrease the size of brush. Next, we are going to creating her clothes. While drawing, create as many layers as you want, or you can do all things in one layer as you want. Now let's get to shading by selecting shadow color. I am starting with a soft round brush to create a larger shadow first. Now let's get to draw her hair. So now we are going to add new cloth. So this is what the final croquis look like. If you do some mistake or facing problem to draw this, it's okay. This is also my first time. Thank you.